So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about women's safety after 8 p.m. Women today study, work and travel just like a man. They goes to office, college and many places. But after places there are no street lights in because of the women feels unsafe. Sometimes there is a few people around them and inside fear and problem are harassment. Some men follow trends and trouble women at the night. This makes a woman uncomfortable and scared. This should not happen in the society to feel a safety. In this country like a Bangalore, many people and women work late and office. Some women return home after 8 p.m. Or have been cases where women felt unsafe and while going home. This shows that the safety is still an issue. Transport is also a big corners. Today, many women use apps like a Uber and Rapido to travel in an auto at night. But even the inside, some women feels unsafe. There have many returns and news cases where the woman felt uncomfortable with the driver or where they takes through a wrong routes. In this creates a fear in their minds. Because of this, many women keep sharing their live location and with a family or friends while traveling. Some avoid to go out at the night completely. This at the night can also secondly, there should be have a strict punishment for a criminals. This will be create a fear among the wrong people. Thirdly, we should use a technological women can use a safety apps like sharing the location and keeping an emergency connected clearly while using a cab, auto and bike. Also, society must change. People should stop harming women. Women have a rights to go out at the any time. We should respect women and treat them equally. Women women can also take some precautions. They can avoid the long places and check the vehicle's details before traveling and choose the trust guided and travel with the friends at the night can also assist. Let's talk about a case study in a Bangalore. In March 2026, in Bangalore, 34 years old woman was attacked and killed by a man because she said a no for his proposal. He was following her from many days. One day he attacked it with his knife. This shows that stalking is a very dangerous. Case 2, 2026. In January 2026, in Bangalore, a young woman was attacked at the night by some neighbors. They stopped her and behaved badly with her. When her friends tried to help, they was also beaten. This shows that the women are not safe even they are own area at the night. These real cases from a 2026 shows that the women are still not safe, even a big cities like a Bangalore and Mumbai and Delhi. So we must take a women's safety seriously and especially after 8 p.m. Let's see now women's opinions. Hi, is a public transport is safe for a woman at night?
Transfer is safe, but during night it's not safe because many of women will not travel in night time. Because only few women will be there that they will become very tired, and when they come they will not get proper seats also. And conductors, we don't know how about the coverage because the end of the day they become very tired and frustrated. So all the frustration they will show to the customers only who's coming because males they cannot able to speak equally. But if they shout or like that, if they shout with the females, they can shout because the females can't reply back again very sharply. So it's depend on conductors also. And my opinion is it's not safe for females, especially young girls. And the pregnancy remains because end of the day they won't drivers and they won't be that much patience to take care of all because they have separate family. They need to go for the home also. They need to take rest at the end. During night it's not at all safe. It's my opinion. And some drivers are there very good. They will take it nicely. And the each stop they will ask because many ladies don't know the stops also during night. And they can sometimes they will adjust on the night and they can't able to recognize the stops that are there. But some drivers will guide them very nicely. Like each stop, each person they will remember. Even I used to go during night time. I used to tell the conductor, and I that stop comes, please inform
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
So many driver helped me, but many did not. Even you have to see the board is coming. You need to check and come because some women will sleep in bus also because of the tiredness. So even I also miss the stop so many times.
Okay.
Because during daytime it's not problem. We can recognize the places. Somehow any place mark is there, I can recognize. Night time it's not possible. So it's my opinion. My suggestion is don't try to avoid after 6
Public.
during the dark times, avoid public transportation.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hi. Do you think women feel safety after 8 p.m.?
In my opinion, many women do not be completely out at 8 p.m. But some places are not safe. When someone feels worried when they go out at night, their main reasons are poor lighting, empty streets, and fear of crime. Transport at night are not always relatable to safe, and there may be fewer people since around to help. Someone's women also face the problems which makes from their uncomfortable and unsafe. However, safety can be improved with better street lights, police patrolling and public awareness society to women and ensure the safety at all times. So, women's safety at night is a concern and we all must work together, make the environment safe for everyone.
Okay, thank you. Women waiting at a bus stop at night can be face a many safety risks after 8 p.m. The area usually become a less crowded and there are fewer people around. This can make a woman feel uncomfortable and unsafe, especially if the place is dark or isolated. Sometimes there may be a poor street light or no proper security, which increase a fear. Waiting alone for a long time can also create a stress and anxiety. To stay safe, it is important to stand in a well-lit areas, avoid empty corners, and stay alert. Women can also keep their phone charged and inform family or friends about this location. Bus stops should have a proper lighting, CCTV cameras, and regular police patrolling to improve our safety. Society must also take a responsibility by creating a safe environment so that women can travel without fear at night. Women walking alone on the road at night can be feel very unsafe after 8 p.m. Many streets become a quiet and empty. In some places there are no proper street lights, so it's become a very dark. When one woman is walking alone with her handbag, she may feel scared. There are also no camera in many areas, and because of this women have to be a very careful and alert. This problem can be improved. Roads should have a good lighting and so that everything is clearly visible. Cameras should be placed on streets to watch what is happening. There should be a more safety support at night so women feel protected. People around should also help if they see any problem. Safety is a very important for everyone. Women should feel free and safe for walk at any time, day or night. If we improve these things, women can move confidently without fear. Women working at petrol pumps after 8 p.m. shows their strength and independence. Many women do night shift to support their families and build their careers. They handle a customer fill petrols and manage a work just like a man. However, working at night can be a challenging because of safety concern. Less crowd and dark surrounding, good lighting, CCTV cameras and security supports are important to keep themselves safe. Society should respect and support these women as they are working hard even during a late hours. In conclusion, some women say we feel scared to go out alone at night. Some say we are not comfortable traveling late. Others say we just want to feel safe like everyone else. This shows that safety is still a big problem. Women are not asking for anything, they just want a safety and freedom. So it is our responsibility to respect the woman and make a society safe. Let us work together and create a safe and fearless environment to everyone. Thank you.